Hello there, YouTubers. I said that in the first video where the washing machine, I said that I would upload a second video with another 60 Celsius wash today, 60 dark wash it was supposed to be. But something happened. After the first load that is on YouTube, I did a 40 Celsius wash, cotton wash also, and I wasn't there when the machine was working on that because I was cleaning my apartment and that kind of stuff. But when I came back to the laundry room, it smelled a little bit strange. You know, it smelled like some electric thing failure, something, you know. If a electrical component gets too hot, it smells in a certain way, and it smelled like that. I wasn't sure where it came from. I smelled at the machine, but I couldn't tell if it was the washing machine or the tumble dryer or something outside or whatever. So I just said, okay, fine. So I emptied that load and started the 60 Celsius wash, which I filmed. And then some 20 minutes later, I didn't stay there because I had a few other things to do here in my apartment again. But I came back like 20 minutes later, and then it smelled even more kind of electrical. I don't know what it's called. So I thought that I maybe stay and look and see what happens here. And it go on for, the machine worked for about 5 minutes more, but then it tripped the electrics. It went totally dark. The dryer was still working, so it was only the washing machine that tripped the electrics, not there because the fuse. And we have this fast fuse that you just point pick up like that. So I did that on the washing machine and tried again, and it immediately just tripped it there. Then I stopped recording there, of course, and then I had to, of course, empty the machine with the water and the clothes and all that, and I didn't know what to do really, but I searched on the internet and found a page where you show how you can open the machine even if it's powerless and that kind of stuff. So I did that, and then I have a friend that lives quite near here, just a few houses away or so, and he has a washing machine. So I gently asked him if I could use his machine and wash my complete there, and I could do that. He was very nice and let me do that. I wasn't really thinking about recording at the time because I was like, it was a big fail that the machine broke down, and so I washed it, and then I took the clothes back to here, the laundry room, and dried in a tumble dryer. The reason is because this friend, he doesn't have a tumble dryer. He does have a dryer cabinet, but a very small one, but it takes some time there to dry the clothes. So, but I used these 2 plastic bags to carry the clothes. No, I used 3 actually, but anyway. So I washed it at his place and that, and now it's drying in the tumble dryer in the laundry room. I have filed because it's in Sweden 1st of May. is a red day. It's what do you call, everybody's free from the work and that kind of stuff. I could have called alarm number, but it's usually if there's something leaking in the apartment and that kind of stuff, and I don't think they could have done much about this problem anyway, because obviously something is wrong with the machine. And I did try to start it after it has taken some time there, being off, because I thought maybe something had overheated or something. But no, it tripped the electrics again, so something electrical is wrong in the machine, and it started smelling. On that short time it took starting it, it started slightly smelling again. So yeah, there's something wrong with it. But I looked at the video I shot of it, and it doesn't seem to be a motor problem or anything. I don't think it's the heater. It could be that the brushes maybe or has shortened, kind of something like that. There were a few near the end where it had struggled to rotate a little bit, but not much. It's just struggled a little bit there. I will not upload the video because I think it's a fail, so I could of course, but I'm feeling that I want to have a proper video with the machine working and that kind of stuff, so that's why I don't upload it. And but I have on the internet these people we hired from, we living here. I filed a fault complaint there about the washing machine broke, and so probably they will look at it, but not today, maybe tomorrow, but it's Saturday tomorrow, so maybe they will look at it Monday, or I'm not sure how they what they think it's that important or anything like that. I'm not sure. But anyway, I have filed a complaint about that the machine has broken down anyway. So yeah, that's basically what I had to say about that. If anyone wants to comment on anything, just so you can do that on the comments section there. But like I said, it could be the brushes, or it could be something entirely else. I mean, I'm not sure. I have repaired washing machines before in the past, but because it's not my machine, it's we hire this. I don't want to go in and checking that out exactly, because if something happens, not that it should, but if something happens, then that's not very good. So I think it's better that professionals look at it, and that I have heard that it has sounded a bit rough a few times, the last times I washed in it, so that might be the brushes or something. No, I don't know. But anyway, that's the situation, and that's the explanation why there's no video 2 today of the washing machine.